Every time you follow an Unreal Engine tutorial on YouTube, the same thing happens. The guy moves too fast, you miss a step, you pause, you rewind back, and then you suddenly lost on where you were. And 20 minutes later, you watched the same 30 seconds 4 times, and you still can't figure out what went wrong. Well, I fixed this. I created this thing called Build Buddy, an AI overlay that is always on your screen watching you inside of Unreal Engine. And it can literally help you step by step. For example, I can go here and ask it, how can I create a new material? And then click enter. And now Build Buddy will go ahead and watch the screen and it will see, okay, we are on a map, we have the content browser, we have this and that, and it will literally start preparing a step-by-step guide that we can follow. But on top of that, it will literally go ahead and aim with a cursor on where you need to click. As you can see, the first step is to find a materials folder so we can have everything organized. Well, Build Buddy saw that I have a materials folder in the content browser and it just said, okay, click on that. And now that we have completed this step, we can click on next step on Build Buddy, and Build Buddy will go ahead and actually check if we completed this step successfully. And then as you can see, the next step is to right click in an empty content. And there we go. Build Buddy is saying empty content area in the materials folder. We can right click over here. So I'm gonna right click and then we can click on next step. And again, Build Buddy will analyze the screen and it will say, okay, what do we have to do next? Step 3, we have to click on create material. Okay, here we go into the material section and here we have material. I could even go a step further, and click next step now and ask it, okay, what do I have to do? Well, I need to type in a name. Okay, so it's aiming here, I have to type in a name. As you can see, this is literally the future of learning inside of Unreal Engine because you have a customized step-by-step tutorial that you can easily follow, and it will literally point at what you have to click. This is literally the way of never getting lost anymore. And this will literally work with whatever you want. It is trained with the official Unreal Engine 5 documentation, and it will also have access to your pre-created context, so all the files, so it will know exactly what your game is like. But you see, it doesn't stop here. You remember the video that I was watching in the intro, which is how to grab objects and move them around. Imagine that you wanted an easier way to follow this tutorial in Unreal Engine because, it's a bit hard or whatever. Well, I can go here and just copy the video link. I can go back into Unreal Engine and then I can grab my Build Buddy. I can create a new chat and then I can paste the YouTube link in, click enter, and literally Build Buddy will analyze the whole video. And first of all, it will go ahead and embed the video and play it on the notch so you can easily watch it all around. You don't need 2 monitors. And it will prepare a guided step-by-step on what I have to do to follow this video. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go into our first person character blueprint, which is over here. Now, of course, you can use whatever character blueprint you're using. And there we go. Build Buddy was watching the video and it saw that the YouTuber said that we need to open the first person character blueprint or whatever character blueprint we're using. And it automatically paused the video for me. I didn't do anything, I wasn't touching the keyboard. And it generated the step 1, which is open the first person character blueprint or whatever character blueprint you're using. And on top of that, Build Buddy found that in my content browser, I have a third person character folder with the character blueprint. And I can literally just open this up. And once I have it opened, I can literally just go and say, okay, next step. So let's make that, for example, when we hold the E key, we'll basically pick up the object that is basically in front of us. So go ahead and find a nice space in the event graph. And there we go. It saw that we need to find a space in the event graph. And I'm gonna click next step, key E, and then go here and there we go. So the E key. And then it saw that we need to add an E key. So we go here, right click, add an E key. There we go. And literally I'm following the tutorial in the easiest possible way in the whole world. Like, guys, this is insane. You will never get lost anymore. And we can continue on and on, watching the video, following the steps. This is insane, guys. Build Buddy is literally the thing that I wished that I had when I was learning Unreal Engine back, in the days. Like, I wished I had some tool like this where it will guide me step by step on what I have to do. It will break down YouTube videos it will point at the screen if I had a question on what I had to do. You know, this is insane, but it doesn't end here either, because it can also execute things for you. So I can go here and select Unreal Engine, and okay, I have little settings to configure an MCP. An MCP is just the way to connect Build Buddy to Unreal Engine, so it can do things for you. So we need to go to project settings, and we need to find remote, execution. I'm gonna enable this, and then the multicast bind address has to be 0, 0, 0, 0. There we go. And then I can click on done, connect for me, and it connected. And then I can also change the folder of the Unreal project. And there we go. As you can see now, the MCP of Build Buddy is connected to my Unreal Engine project. And I have two modes. I have guide or act. So guide was the mode that we were before, where we had the MCP disconnected, where we can simply ask questions, we can watch and follow a YouTube video and break it down into steps. It will, aim our screen, all that stuff, just literally learning. But the act is what, execute things for us. So for example, I'm in this level right now, and I could say, okay, change the lighting of this level to be nighttime. And I can click on send. And now, as you can see, remote control is enabled, and Build Buddy will literally edit my level to change the lighting to be nighttime. Oh my god, it's doing it. As you can see, the lighting is dimmed out. It's actually making it nighttime, and it gives us a summary of what it did. But not only that, for example, we can get this table and say, okay, make this selected table 3 times bigger in size. You can click on send, and now Build Buddy will make this table 3 times bigger in size. I won't have to do anything. There we go. It did it 3 times bigger. There we go. See, the scale is 3. So yeah, honestly, in Build Buddy, you can do so many things. And the best part is that you can download it for free right now. The link is in the description, and it's created 100% by me. I really want you guys to learn with this because it's insane. So download it and let me know what you think about it. Join my Discord for any, improvements that you would like to add into the app. Now, yes, so I said bye. Bye.